This is a wonderful drink that can be used as a breakfast drink. It's a wonderful drink that's great for high energy to get your day started, to help you with that. And it consists of red grapes, seedless. You have a handful of flax seeds. You have that wonderful celery, which is great in vitamins. You have avocado. We have spinach. And we have a cup of water. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in the water first. Then we're going to get in that spinach, which is always great for infection. We're going to sprinkle our flax seeds in. We're going to get in our grapes. There's the celery, rich in vitamins. And then avocado, which is great for your skin and your hair. Then we're going to blend. That didn't take much time at all. This is a wonderful energy booster. You can use this as a daily drink. Wow, that's wonderful. Thanks for watching.